guys, it's your girl Shanaenae. Y'all know the BM does. Y'all know what it do. And if y'all are wondering why I'm big face, pretty face, brown skin, pretty brown eyes, she is 4'11". Okay. But yeah, I was doing the Don't Rush challenge, so that's why, girl. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. I upload a video every single week. This week, I thought I should do a Whippin with Shanaenae. Today we're cooking pizza and French fries. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I see what I see. We're gonna get to shredding the chicken, you know what I'm saying? The sauce going on here. I shredded the chicken already. Got the pizza dough, it's in here, rising. Alright, so we're gonna roll out the dough. That way we're able to go and fit it onto a tray. And when you fit it onto a tray, just use your fingers to be able to size it up and stuff like that. So that way it goes all the way around, you know what I'm saying? I hope you grease that mug, because if you didn't grease that mug, like, it's not gonna come out, and your pizza gonna be stuck. You're gonna have to eat it with a fork in the tray, you know what I'm saying? Put on that sauce, put like a generous amount, you know what I'm saying? Like, honey, you need like a lot, you know what I'm saying? So that pizza can be but the bomb, you know what I'm saying? Like, yes, Jesus, yes. We're gonna add the cheese before we start putting on toppings that we got. All, what's that? Oh, that's more cheese. Chicken. We're gonna start putting on the chicken. It's a chicken pizza, so you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. If you're like, I'm trying to get right with the Lord and my body, then you can go ahead and make ourselves like a really nice, healthy spinach pizza, even though that didn't really taste nice. I mean, like, I guess it tasted nice after it was cold. I don't know. Ugh. If you're not feeling it, then sis, sausage pizza is the way to go. Yes. French fries, I think it's a crime if you don't season your food. Like, you just can't be black and not season your food. Season it. Season it. Put everything in it. He lost her at the stairs. Oh no. Take it all out, lay it how you want it, you know what I'm saying? Get your plates, get your cups, get everything, and bon appetit. Y'all better eat.